In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to browse and manage folders in Adobe Bridge. Navigating and organizing your files effectively can save you a lot of time and hassle, especially when dealing with large amounts of data or images. Let's dive into the process and ensure you get the most out of Adobe Bridge's features. First, you'll want to direct your attention to the left side of Adobe Bridge's interface, where you'll find the Folders panel. This is your gateway to navigating through your system's folder structure. To view the contents of a specific folder, simply select it. This action allows you to immediately access everything that's inside, providing a clear and organized view of your files. If you're dealing with multiple layers of folders, expanding them is straightforward. You'll notice small arrows next to the folder names. Clicking these arrows will expand the folder to show its subfolders or contents. Additionally, you can make use of keyboard shortcuts to streamline this process. Use the down and up arrows on your keyboard to move between different folders. The right arrow key will expand a folder, while the left arrow key will collapse it. Familiarizing yourself with these shortcuts can greatly enhance the speed and efficiency of your workflow. Another useful tool in Adobe Bridge is the path bar located at the top of the interface. This bar displays the path of your current folder, acting like a map and showing you exactly where you are within your folder hierarchy. If you need to quickly navigate back to a parent folder, the path bar allows you to do so with ease. There's also a handy feature where you can right-click directly within the path bar. This action brings up the option for what is known as folder cruising, which provides quick access to subfolders from your current location, making it even easier to navigate your files seamlessly. When it comes to organizing your files, the functions for copying, moving, or deleting are very straightforward. For moving files or folders, simply drag them from the current location within Adobe Bridge to your desired destination folder or system location. If you're a Windows user, right-click on the file or folder, or if you're on a Mac OS, control-click instead. This will bring up a menu where you can select either Copy to or Move to, allowing for flexibility in how you manage your files. By understanding and utilizing these features, you can transform Adobe Bridge from a simple file viewer into a powerful organizational tool. The time saved by knowing these tricks is well worth the investment, and with practice, navigating through your folders will become second nature. Keep these tips in mind as you work with Adobe Bridge, and you'll find your productivity and file management skills reaching new levels. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you engage with these tools, the more comfortable and efficient you'll become in your file handling endeavors.